Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Twitter app or browser must be up to date, and your device needs a Passkey manager like iOS keychain or Android credentials. Once done, make sure biometrics or a secure PIN are active on that device. This is how you unlock passkeys quickly. Now open Twitter, go to Settings, then Security. Tap Log in Methods or Passkeys and choose Add Passkey. This starts the registration handshake between Twitter and your device. You'll now complete the middle steps. After choosing Add Passkey, Twitter requests a cryptographic key pair from your device. When the device prompt appears, verify with your fingerprint, face, or PIN. This creates a private key stored locally and a public key sent to Twitter. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name like Phone Root or Work Mac so you can manage multiple keys later. Once the exchange finishes, Twitter shows success and lists the new passkey under your login methods. To finish, sign out and attempt sign-in using the new passkey. Choose Passkey at login and approve the device prompt. This confirms the public key is recognized and that you can authenticate without a password. If you change devices later, add a new passkey on that device and revoke old ones under security. If something goes wrong, like prompts failing, make sure your OS and browser are updated, biometric enrollment is intact, and try another browser or device. These steps resolve most handshake or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.